Alright, welcome to the start of the family print project. We are working on a bookmark right now. Some more of the bare ones to get them ready to be listed online. We have a new design that's about to be sent to the printer now. It's going to be a sinister kitten, sinister cat, sinister kitty on this printer. And I know my hair looks crazy right now, but it's the later half of the day. It's been a long day of doing interviews for the autofocus business. Just wanted to hop on here and let y'all know we left a poll. We'll see what it is at the end of the week, but we wanted to see if y'all wanted us to do a Patreon for our bookmark designs that we just created. It's another addition to the business that we're thinking about doing. Gotten it down to exactly where we want it. So that is what we're doing tonight. We're getting everything ready to go on the printer because we are honestly really low on printer filament, and we probably will be for some time. So we're printing as much as we can with the colors we do have because we're preparing for taxes. I will say 100% we are underprepared for what we're about to get into, and we're going to see what that's like come February 20th, and things will unfold and we'll see how it does. So another thing that's currently happening is we're actually almost to our next subscriber goals, which is 2,500 subscribers, which we have a confetti cannon that we're going to pop off, and I'm going to do it as a surprise just randomly when we do hit it with either the kids or with Amanda. But when that happens, it's going to be a good little fun surprise to kind of do to signify that we've hit 2,500 subscribers. So if you guys have been watching our videos and have been watching multiple videos, hit that subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. All right, so we just completed setting up how we'd like to get paid on Patreon, and we're working on our third bookmark for this month. We have 10 that we're doing as a celebration for starting a Patreon, so if you guys want to check it out, link is in the description box below. All right, today's a jam-packed day of editing, vlog channel, collecting channel, book channel. There's a lot of stuff that we're doing. When it comes to making content, I am absolutely excited for what's coming out, what's being produced, and getting a lot of this YouTube stuff done. This is my dream. We're making it happen. Here's one of the new designs that's going up today on Patreon. Looking fan-freaking-tastic. That's going to wrap up this week's vlog. Not a lot going on. We are doing a lot of prep work, again, with getting stuff for the Patreon, getting stuff for eBay, and Etsy, things like that, and also catching up on some vlogs for the family channel. And I've been a little sick too, under the weather, so a lot of the production has been a little bit slowed down. Also, just finished editing this video. This video is actually really short, so bear with us. Some things went wrong on the editing side of things with some clips, and we will make sure next week's video is longer. We have some stuff that we're going to try to do, some videos that we've mentioned in the past. One being how to set up for a market that we were supposed to do a couple weeks ago. We're going to try to figure out some time this week to set that up for you guys to kind of help bring some clarity when it is you deciding on doing a market. But check back next week for another Family Print Project vlog.